Hey YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a good one for you, a 1963 Galaxie 500 XL. Now I met up with the family to discuss this project. Now this is just going to be an intro video to give you an overview of their goals with this project. This is going to be one of those original type builds. It's not going to be a resto mod. They want to keep it true to its original classic design with some safety improvements. But enough said, let's get to details.
So how long have you had the car?
Yeah, 2 years we have the car. Yeah, this is a 63 Galaxie 500 XL. Yeah. We're gonna put some Detroit wheels and tires. We're gonna make patina the paint. Paint, you know, I want to leave it original. I don't want to do anything fancy. Probably repaint the roof, but the interior I want to leave it original. Nothing, you know. Yeah. Suspension definitely, you know, change it. Yeah, definitely change it, and you know, the only thing I'm gonna do is disc brakes, because you know the ones that it has right now, sometimes it feels like it's not gonna stop. It's so heavy, it's the car that sometimes, you know, when they drive it, it's like the car is gonna stop or not. Yeah, love the design on the back, how wide it is on the back, and that's what it gets me. I'm a Ford guy. I'm a Ford guy, and that's what I just like the design, how wide it is, the roof lines, how nice they are. That's what I like it, you know. We start sanding it on the back. You see, we start, you know, hand sanding it. We got to do a lot of work, you see, but just to try to get the patina, you know, a little bit out. But yeah, and the best thing is the kids are working on it.